Have you ever retired for the night feeling fatigued, however your mind remains unable to disengage? Do you awaken during the night with xerostomia, nocturia, or unusual hunger sensations? Do your joints exhibit stiffness in the morning, your digestion appear sluggish, and your memory seem less acute than it once was? I would want to pose an important question. What if numerous issues are subtly linked to unstable blood sugar levels, particularly after the age of 60? However, what the majority of individuals remain unaware of is complicated drugs or costly supplements are not always necessary for maintaining appropriate blood sugar levels. Occasionally, the most effective remedies are uncomplicated, organic, and readily available in your kitchen. Today, I will present a straightforward recipe that some seniors refer to as a hidden treasure, as it effectively facilitates a gradual and natural reduction in blood sugar, enhances digestion, diminishes inflammation, and boosts energy levels. Prior to proceeding, let me to articulate this unequivocally. If you are a newcomer, kindly subscribe to this channel. This channel is specifically designed for elders. Weekly, we disseminate natural treatments, pragmatic health strategies, and lifestyle guidance aimed at enhancing digestion, safeguarding cardiovascular health, fortifying bones, augmenting cognitive function, stabilizing blood glucose levels, and boosting everyday vitality. By subscribing, you ensure that you remain informed about resources that can enhance your health, happiness, and independence post-60. Remain attentive, as the subsequent segment may fundamentally alter your perspective on blood sugar regulation. Why blood sugar becomes a significant issue after age 60. As we age, our bodies undergo numerous changes, regardless of whether we perceive them immediately. One of the most significant changes occurs subtly, deep within the body, devoid of discomfort or forewarning. Post 60 years of age, there is a normal decline in muscle mass. This phenomenon is referred to as age-related muscular atrophy. What is the significance of this? Muscles serve as the primary site for the storage and utilization of blood glucose for energy. Reduced muscle mass results in diminished capacity for glucose uptake. Consequently, glucose remains in the circulatory system for an extended duration. Simultaneously, digestion decelerates. Food traverses the stomach and intestines at a reduced pace. This may result in a delayed increase in blood sugar levels, occasionally occurring hours post-consumption. Numerous seniors are unaware of this delayed effect and question why they experience fatigue or malaise long after consuming a meal. Insulin resistance, which increases in prevalence with age, is another factor to consider. Insulin functions as a key-like hormone. It facilitates the entry of glucose into your cells for energy utilization. However, as we age, those doors become increasingly difficult to open. The key remains intact, although it no longer functions as efficiently as it previously did. When insulin functions ineffectively, glucose persists in the bloodstream rather than being absorbed by the cells. This is the point at which difficulties arise. Your body may be saturated with sugar, yet your cells remain deprived of energy. This is why numerous elders experience fatigue even post-consumption of food. Let us now discuss the indications, as they are sometimes overlooked. After meals, particularly breakfast or lunch, you may notice an unusual onset of drowsiness. Not at ease, drowsy, somnolent, obscured by fog, as though you require repose. One may also observe abrupt desires for confections, despite having recently consumed a meal. This is not a deficiency of willpower. Your body is responding to fluctuating blood sugar levels. Certain individuals encounter intermittent foggy vision. Some individuals have tingling or numbness in their hands and feet, particularly throughout the night. Minor lacerations or contusions may require an extended duration for healing compared to previous experiences. If any of this resonates with you, be assured that you are not solitary in this experience. Numerous seniors are informed or convince themselves this is merely an aspect of aging. However, these are frequently early indications of blood sugar dysregulation rather than merely a consequence of aging. I would want to pose an important question. Do you ever consume a standard-sized meal and thereafter feel fatigued? Not excessively full, merely depleted. That's a significant warning sign that warrants consideration. Repeated fluctuations in blood sugar, characterized by excessive elevation followed by significant decline, impact more than merely energy levels. Repeated fluctuations over time exert stress on the heart, diminishing the flexibility of blood vessels. They exert pressure on the kidneys, which are required to filter surplus sugar. They impact the eyes, elevating the likelihood of visual impairments. They also affect the brain, leading to memory impairments, disorientation, and alterations in mood such as irritability or anxiety. Numerous seniors observe increased impatience, heightened emotional responses, or greater forgetfulness, yet fail to associate these changes with blood sugar levels. But here is the optimistic aspect. The body, especially post-60, responds favorably to moderate, regular support. It doesn't need extremes. It doesn't need strict restrictions. It needs consistent, supportive practices that align with aging processes rather than oppose them. Stay with me, since the solution we are about to explore is not confrontational, nor complex, nor upsetting. It operates with the aging physique, providing support discreetly, softly, and effectively. The straightforward treasure recipe that helps blood sugar. Now let's discuss the true treasure. This recipe is unadorned. It's not costly. Moreover, it does not induce shock in the body. The primary components are cooked oats, ground cinnamon, chia seeds, heated water, or unsweetened almond milk. That's all. You might be contemplating, oats? Aren't carbohydrates detrimental to blood sugar levels? This is the point at which most people become confused. Herein a fact that eludes the majority. Not all carbs function identically within the body. Oats, particularly when prepared and consumed appropriately, possess soluble fiber that moderates the rate at which sugar is absorbed into the bloodstream. This mitigates abrupt fluctuations and declines. Cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity, indicating that your body uses insulin more efficiently. Chia seeds further impede digestion and prolong the sensation of satiety. When amalgamated, these elements work collaboratively. May I inquire, have you ever consumed breakfast and subsequently felt hunger again within an hour? This recipe mitigates the issue. The mechanism of this recipe within your body. Let me elucidate this succinctly. Consuming refined foods such as white bread, sugar, and pastries results in a rapid increase in blood glucose levels. Your body secretes a substantial amount of insulin to regulate it. Subsequently, a rapid decline in blood sugar levels results in fatigue, shavings, or renewed hunger. However, this recipe yields a distinct outcome. The fiber in oats creates a gel-like material in the stomach. This impedes digestion. Sugar enters the bloodstream incrementally rather than instantaneously. Cinnamon enhances insulin's efficacy in facilitating cellular uptake. Chia seeds contain beneficial fats that improve blood sugar regulation. So, rather than experiencing fluctuations, one attains consistent energy levels. Numerous seniors observe enhanced morning vitality, reduced sugar cravings, improved digestion, more steady mood. Does that sound appealing to you? Stay with me, as the timing and manner of consuming this recipe are equally important as the ingredients themselves. Method of preparation and optimal time of consumption for maximum efficiency. The preparation process is uncomplicated. Cook half a cup of oats in water until tender. Incorporate 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Incorporate 1 spoonful of chia seeds. Mix thoroughly and allow it to rest for 5 minutes. That's all. Here is the crucial element. The optimal times to consume this are in the morning around 30 to 60 minutes post-awakening, or in the evening no less than 2 hours before sleep. In the morning, it helps to stabilize blood glucose levels throughout the day. In the evening, it mitigates nocturnal glucose surges that disrupt sleep. But refrain from consuming it with extra sugar, honey, or sweet syrups. That undermines the point. To enhance flavor, incorporate a handful of blueberries, a piece of apple, or a dash of nutmeg. Please indicate in the comments whether you would like this in the morning or evening. Analysis of regular use versus non-use. Let's conduct a comparison. Consuming this recipe consistently, blood glucose levels stabilize, energy sustains for an extended duration, reduced cravings, improved bowel regularity, diminished inflammation. If you neglect this and continue to consume refined breakfasts, elevated blood sugar levels, subsequent energy depletion, augmented appetite, heightened susceptibility to insulin resistance. This does not mean that a single bowl will miraculously solve all issues. Consistency is paramount. Think of it analogous to irrigating a plant. A single day of support is beneficial, while consistent care fosters flourishing. Stay with me as the subsequent segment elucidates who should exercise caution and how to modify this recipe securely. Crucial safety guidelines for elderly individuals. This formula is mild, although it should be employed judiciously.